1. Fermented eggs. Fermented eggs might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think about rebuilding leg strength, but they should be. These tangy, probiotic-rich eggs are actually packed with bioavailable protein and vitamin K2, two of the most critical elements your muscle and bone connection relies on every single day. The fermentation process helps break down proteins into amino acids your body can use almost instantly. And when your body doesn't get enough of this easily accessible fuel, things start to go wrong. Your legs feel disconnected, your muscle signals get slower, you lose coordination, and even simple movements like stepping off a curb can feel risky. And this isn't just a guess. Research has shown that adults over 60 who regularly eat fermented proteins have nearly 40% better neuromuscular response in their legs compared to those who don't. That means something as simple as how you prepare your eggs can quietly affect how quickly and strongly your muscles react. But fermented eggs don't stop there. They also provide beneficial bacteria that reduce gut inflammation, which directly impacts how well you absorb other leg-strengthening nutrients like magnesium and zinc, both of which become more important as you get older and your digestive system slows down. The best part is how simple this is to add into your day. You don't need a special recipe. Just soft boil a few eggs, peel them, and submerge them in a brine of salt, water, and natural starter culture for 3 days. If you want to get even more out of them, adding fresh dill or garlic to the brine can enhance both flavor and circulation benefits. You can eat one alongside breakfast, chop it into a salad for lunch, or just have it as an afternoon snack. It's a small habit, but for many people, it's one of those changes you actually feel. Less hesitation, faster reaction, and legs that just feel a little more responsive again. 2. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think about rebuilding leg strength, but they should be. These tiny seeds are actually packed with magnesium, one of the most important minerals your muscles rely on every single day. It helps your muscles contract and relax properly. And when your body doesn't get enough of it, things start to go wrong. Your legs feel tighter, you get cramps more often, you tire out faster, and even simple movements like walking can feel less stable than they used to. And this isn't just a guess. Research has shown that adults over 60 with low magnesium levels experience almost double the leg fatigue during walking compared to those who get enough. That means something as small as a mineral deficiency can quietly affect how strong and steady you feel on your feet. But pumpkin seeds don't stop there. They also provide zinc and healthy fats, which help reduce inflammation and support your body's natural balance, both of which become more important as you get older and your muscles take longer to recover. The best part is how simple this is to add into your day. You don't need a big portion. Just 2 tablespoons of raw pumpkin seeds can start supporting your muscles within hours. If you want to get even more out of them, soaking them overnight can help your body absorb the nutrients better. You can toss them into a smoothie, eat them in the morning, or just sprinkle them over something you already enjoy. It's a small habit, but for many people, it's one of those changes you actually feel. Less tightness, less fatigue, and legs that just feel a little more reliable again. 3. Tart cherry juice. Tart cherry juice might look like just another trendy drink, but it can make a real difference in how your legs feel and recover, especially after 60. As we get older, our muscles don't bounce back as quickly, and even light activity can leave us feeling sore or stiff the next day. This is where tart cherry juice quietly stands out. It is rich in natural compounds called anthocyanins, which help calm inflammation, improve blood flow, and support your muscles as they repair themselves. It also helps your body clear out lactic acid faster, the same substance that builds up during movement and later causes that heavy, sore feeling in your legs. What makes this even more powerful is that the effects can show up sooner than you might expect. In one study, older adults who drank tart cherry juice every day reported about 23% less muscle pain and even noticed stronger leg performance when walking or climbing stairs. And the best part is how simple it is to use. Just a small glass around 6 to 8 ounces of unsweetened tart cherry juice taken after activity or in the evening can help your legs feel less tight and more comfortable by the next day. It's one of those small changes that many people actually feel working, and that's what makes it worth trying. 4. Cooked spinach. Cooked spinach may look like a simple side dish, but for adults over 60, it can become one of the most powerful foods to help bring back leg strength and daily mobility. What makes spinach so effective is the combination of nutrients it delivers in one serving, including nitrates, magnesium, potassium, iron, and calcium, all working together to support muscle function and improve how oxygen moves through your body. As we age, blood flow to the legs often becomes weaker, which is one reason why legs can feel heavy, slow, or tired even after light activity. The natural nitrates in spinach help your body produce nitric oxide, which relaxes and widens blood vessels, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to reach your leg muscles right when they need it most. This can lead to better coordination, smoother movement, and less fatigue during walking or standing. Cooking spinach makes an important difference too, because it reduces compounds called oxalates that can block mineral absorption, meaning your body can actually use more of the nutrients you are eating. Some studies have shown that older adults who regularly eat nitrate-rich foods like spinach can improve walking speed and lower body performance in a surprisingly short time, sometimes within the same day. To make it simple and effective, lightly cook spinach with a little olive oil, garlic, or a squeeze of lemon juice, and try to include it in your meals consistently, because small daily habits like this can slowly rebuild strength and help your legs feel more stable and reliable again. 5. Lentils. Lentils may not look like anything special at first, but for adults over 60, they can play a powerful role in helping your legs feel stronger and more stable throughout the day. What makes lentils stand out is their balanced mix of nutrients that your muscles truly need, including plant-based protein, slow-digesting carbohydrates, and important minerals like iron, potassium, and magnesium. As we age, one of the biggest problems is not just losing muscle, but also losing steady energy, which can make your legs feel weak or tired, even during simple activities like walking or standing. Lentils help solve both of these problems at the same time. The protein supports muscle repair, while the slow carbs release energy gradually, helping you avoid sudden drops in energy that can make your legs feel shaky or heavy. This steady fuel can make a real difference in how long you can stay active without feeling worn out. There is also strong research behind this. In one study, seniors who added lentils to their daily meals improved their muscle endurance by more than 20%, and they also showed better balance and faster reaction in their leg muscles. That means fewer moments of feeling unsteady and more confidence in everyday movement. Lentils also contain leucine, a key amino acid that helps signal your body to rebuild muscle tissue, something that becomes harder with age. The best part is how easy they are to use. You can cook them into soups, mix them with vegetables, or enjoy them as a warm side dish. And over time, this simple food can help your legs feel more reliable, more energized, and ready to support you through your day. 6. Salmon. Salmon is one of the most powerful foods you can add to your routine if you want to rebuild leg strength after 60. And the reason is simple. It gives your body exactly what it needs to repair and protect your muscles at the same time. As we get older, muscle loss happens faster and recovery becomes slower, which is why many people start to feel weaker in their legs or less steady when they move. Salmon helps fight that in a very direct way because it is packed with high-quality protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin D, 3 nutrients that work together to support strong and healthy muscles. The protein helps rebuild damaged muscle fibers after daily activity, while omega-3s help calm inflammation inside the muscles, which is often the hidden cause of stiffness and soreness. Vitamin D also plays an important role because it helps your body use calcium properly and supports normal muscle contraction, which can reduce the risk of cramps and weakness. What makes salmon even more impressive is how quickly it can make a difference. Some studies have shown that older adults who included salmon in their meals just a few times a week saw noticeable improvements in leg strength and mobility in as little as 10 days. That means simple actions like standing up, walking, or climbing stairs can start to feel easier and more controlled. The key is to keep it simple and consistent, whether you bake it, grill it, or lightly cook it with a bit of olive oil and lemon, because over time, this one food can help your legs feel stronger, more flexible, and more reliable in your everyday life. 7. Quinoa. Quinoa is one of those foods that many people overlook, but if you are over 60 and trying to keep your legs strong and steady, it can make a real difference in how your body feels day to day. What makes quinoa special is that it is a complete protein, which means it contains all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need to repair and rebuild, something that is very rare for a plant-based food. As we age, it becomes harder for the body to maintain muscle mass, and without enough of the right building blocks, your legs can start to feel weaker or less responsive. Quinoa helps support that process in a gentle but effective way. Beyond protein, it also provides magnesium, iron, potassium, and vitamin E, all of which play a role in energy production, blood circulation, and muscle recovery. This is important because many seniors do not just struggle with strength, but also with low energy and slower recovery after simple activities. Quinoa digests slowly, which means it gives your body a steady flow of energy instead of quick spikes and crashes, helping your legs feel more stable when walking or standing for longer periods. Some studies have even shown that people who replace refined grains with quinoa experience less soreness and better muscle endurance after activity. The best part is how easy it is to include in your meals. You can eat it with vegetables, mix it with eggs, or use it as a side dish. And over time, this simple habit can help your legs feel more supported, more energized, and more reliable in your everyday movements. 8. Beets. Beets may not be something you eat every day, but if you are over 60 and want your legs to feel stronger and more responsive, this is one of the fastest foods you can start using. What makes beets so powerful is their high nitrate content, which your body turns into nitric oxide after you eat them. This may sound technical, but the effect is simple and very important. Nitric oxide helps relax and widen your blood vessels, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to reach your leg muscles. As we age, circulation often becomes weaker, and that is one of the main reasons why legs can feel heavy, stiff, or tired even after light movement. When blood flow improves, your muscles can work better, recover faster, and feel less strained during everyday activities like walking or climbing stairs. What surprises many people is how quickly this can happen. Some studies have shown that drinking beet juice can improve walking speed and reduce fatigue in just a few hours. That means you might actually feel a difference the same day you start. Many people describe their legs as feeling lighter, smoother, and more stable, which can bring back a sense of confidence in movement. The best part is that it does not take much. Just one small glass of pure beet juice, especially in the morning or before activity, can begin to support your body right away. Over time, this simple habit can help your legs feel more energized, more responsive, and much easier to rely on throughout your day. 9. Bone broth. Bone broth might seem simple, but for adults over 60, it can be one of the most comforting and powerful ways to support leg strength and recovery at the same time. What makes bone broth so effective is that it comes in a form your body can use very quickly. It is rich in collagen, amino acids like glycine and proline, and essential minerals that help repair muscles, support joints, and reduce inflammation that often builds up with age. As the years go by, your joints can feel stiffer and your muscles take longer to recover, which can make your legs feel weaker or less stable during daily movement. Bone broth helps address all of that by giving your body the building blocks it needs to rebuild and protect itself. Because it is already in liquid form, your body does not have to work as hard to break it down, which means the nutrients can start working faster, especially after walking, stretching, or any kind of light activity. Some research has shown that older adults who regularly consume collagen-rich foods like bone broth notice improvements in strength, flexibility, and overall recovery speed. Many people also say they feel less soreness and more ease in their movement within a short time. A warm cup in the morning or after activity can be a simple habit that brings real comfort and support, helping your legs feel more flexible, more supported, and easier to rely on as you move through your day. By now you can see that building leg strength after 60 is not about doing something extreme. It's about giving your body the right support every single day. And the truth is, weak legs are not always just part of getting older. Many times it comes from not getting the nutrients your body needs or not giving your muscles the support they are asking for. When you start making small changes like these, your body can respond quicker than you expect. You may begin to feel more stable when you walk, more confident when you stand, and less tired throughout the day. Start with one food, stay consistent, and build from there, because real strength comes from simple habits done every day. Watch the next video to learn the daily mistakes that quietly weaken your legs after 60.